Hi guys, so today I wanted to step out my comfort zone a little bit and do a Halloween tutorial. So I'm putting on foundation, and this is the Mary Kay foundation in beige 7, and I'm blending this all over my face, all over my ears, and then down my neck. As you can see, this foundation is very pale, and it was throwing off my lighting a little bit, so I had to do a lot of correcting with my lighting. So excuse me if it seems my lighting seems a bit wonky. All I'm doing just blending the foundation out on my face, make sure all my face is covered, because we're about to be looking like a zombie tonight for Halloween. Now I'm going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder, and I'm setting that foundation as good as possible because I don't want the foundation to move around on my face, because we're going to be out all night for Halloween trick-or-treating. That's if you still trick-or-treat or if you're going to a Halloween party. Now I'm going in with a eyebrow gel, and that's the NYX eyebrow gel in chocolate, and I'm just filling in my brows. I'm not trying to get them perfect or anything, I just want them to be thick and well shaped. I'm not looking for perfection because we're gonna be a zombie. There's no need for perfection tonight, but I want them to still look presentable. Now I'm getting some concealer and concealing my eyelids because I'm gonna put some eyeshadow on my eyes. And I'm using the LA Pro Girl concealer. It's not a concealer, it's a corrector, yellow corrector on my eyes. And then I'm setting that concealer with a white powder just to make sure that my eyeshadow don't go anywhere and it doesn't move around and budge. Now I'm going with a orangey eyeshadow, and I'm going to use that as my transitional color. I'm just putting that in the crease area and blending it out as I go. Now I'm going in with a black eyeshadow, and this is going to be the focal point of the whole look. So I'm putting down my black eyeshadow. I'm making sure it's vibrant by dabbing the eyeshadow on my eyelids. Then I'm getting my blending brush and I'm just blending that away. Blending it into my transitional color. And this is all about blend. Now I'm putting back some more black eyeshadow on my eyelids because you know it washed out the color when we blended the eyeshadow. And this was the hard part for me, doing the nose, the skull head nose. This was very hard for me. I had to clean up, fix, do this like 3 or 4 times and fix it and do it over and fix it again. It's just about trial and error, but in the end I got it down packed, and I got it to a place where I actually loved it, and that's it right there. Now I got some concealer and conceal my mouth area because we're gonna be doing the skull mouth right there. And I'm also highlighting with a very light concealer because I put on a very light foundation and I want everything to match up. So let me stop talking so you guys can actually watch what I'm doing. I talk too much sometimes. And this was what I was talking about. I went in and fixed it again, cleaned it up a bit more just to make sure it was perfect and it was something that I liked. Then I went underneath the lash line and blended some black eyeshadow to create that deep dark skull eye effect that we're going for. Now I'm getting a liner. This is a liquid liner from L'Oreal, and I'm making 2 lines at the end of my lip area, and then I'm just gonna make lines out where my natural teeth falls, and my lines are a bit crooked. If you can get your lines as straight as possible, they would look a lot better, but that's how I did mine. They were crooked and it looked fine in the end. So it's not about perfection, it's just about having fun with makeup and playing with makeup. It's Halloween. So this is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I stepped out my comfort zone a little bit. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, because you'll see me in next video. Deuce.